here?
$10. Her. On a private jet.
How did you get here?
On a private jet.
I believe that.
And then in the limo.
What's up, YouTube? Out here at SneakerCon. This is how it's looking. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
How much is your outfit?
My merch, free, bag, 2,500, watch, couple thousand. Jeff Gordon racing tee. I think I thrifted that for like 20 bucks. Lululemon pants. My sister's a manager, so that was free. My boy Ty curated man socks. Those are free. These I think I paid 500 bucks for. The hat I think I paid 20 bucks for.
All right, man. Thank you, bro. How much is your outfit?
So the hat is like 500, 600 bucks, and then the shirt's like 100 bucks. This is like maybe 100 bucks, 150, and the shoes are. I got offers of like 15K USD, man. I don't even know how much to sell them for.
All right, man. We'll add it up. Thanks a lot, bro. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
My outfit, my shoes, I believe I paid 1,500 Canadian for. The cargos were 500 Canadian. The t-shirt is another 200 Canadian. And the jewelry and accessories is probably 1,500 Canadian.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
Hoodie, OVO, I think it was like 139 or something. Pants, OVO Nocta, I think what, like 170 or something. Travis Scott Air Force Ones, I think like 750, something like that.
What's on the back? What's on the back?
LV bag, 2K.
Nasty. Thank you. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
Shirt, probably around $1,000. Jeans, 40 bucks. Shoes, 3,500.
Where'd you get the shirt?
I actually got it at Granville Flea, which we're actually vending at tomorrow, but it's an event they have in Vancouver as well.
All right, man. Thanks.
Cool, thank you.
What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
Let's see, 350, 100 bucks probably, 100 bucks, 100 bucks. Priceless.
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 What brand are your jeans?
These are Naked and Famous, Canadian made.
In the bag?
Supreme bag.
All right, man. Thank you. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
Probably the hat. Got in Las Vegas at the Raiders store. Say 25 bucks American. The shoes I got from Livestock, $258 on retail. And then Xanaro pants, and then off-white hoodie got as a gift, and then a Lululemon shirt underneath. So probably like I paid.
I'll add it up. Don't worry.
Yeah, you added that up.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
What's up, bro? How much is your outfit?
Well, Ultra Boosts are like 20 bucks. Pretty bad. And then I don't know where the pants are from. And then great Carson Wentz jersey. Eagles. And
How much was the jersey?
Victoria Royals jersey or a hat.
How much was the jersey?
I think $100 to $200.
All right, thanks, man. What's up, bro? How much is your outfit?
My outfit, let me guess. This is like 30 bucks, 50, maybe 100. How much is that? 150?
Yeah.
And bro, I don't know how much these are going for, so
They're priceless.
priceless. So maybe like, I don't know, like $1,000 I guess.
All right, man. Thank you. What's up? How much is your outfit?
Yeah, so probably the hoodies, I guess it's around 150, and then the pants, like $100 pants. And the shoes probably like around like $1,000 to $1,100.
All right, man. Thank you. What's up, man? How much was your outfit?
Okay, so Costco go around 150, and very cheap pants, $30. Very basic, easy, it's 300.
All right. Thanks, man. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
I got Dunks, 400. Rick Owens, let's say 600. Got the hoodie, vintage Nike, about 100. Vintage fishing vest, 40 bucks.
All right, man. Thanks a lot. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
What's up? What's up, bro? Let me see. Got my banda. Do I go piece by piece?
Yeah.
Bandale trucker hat, 40 bucks. Let me see. Bandale wildlife hoodie, 120. Supreme Fox Paisley. What is this? I think it's like about a rack. Denim Tears jeans is like $5.50. The Travis Lowe's, I don't know, $1,600. And then chrome rings, maybe like $1,000 total with a chrome bracelet. Yeah.
What's up, bro? How much was your outfit?
I got 200. Diesel pants, 300. I got my published shirt, 80. This is a local artist, Foo Babe, $100. FOO_babe. Check it out. Go check his Instagram. I got my chain, sterling silver. This is 120. Pendant, I don't know. Watch, this was my grandfather's. Also, I don't know, sentimental piece. $10 ring.
Thanks a lot. What's up, bro? How much is your outfit?
My outfit, man. Okay, I guess we'll start at the shoes. I got these $390. These like $40 shorts. AWOL, local artist. AWOL, if you want to follow on Instagram. It's like 20 bucks. Gift from my dad. So I don't know. This was 170. And this came from a bearing that exploded when I was skateboarding. And then yeah, that's about it. Thanks, bro.
What's up, bro? How much is your outfit?
Hey, shoes like 380, pants 60, hoodie 60, shirt 40, vest I don't know 150. Cut was like 52, by the way.
Ooh, rude. What's up, bro? How much is your outfit? Just grab the mic.
My outfit, this mask, bought it for 180. These shoes, like $2,000, I think. These pants, Off-White Vancouver, probably like 600. This Gucci shirt, Christmas present. Yeah. Nelk Boys sweater, because you know we send in today. It was free. Backpack, 18.
1,800.
Watch.
Let's see the light. Let's get a close up. Oh my.
Legit, can't say. Thank you.
What's up, bro? How much was your outfit?
So basically, the shoes, 400. The pants, like 50 bucks. The shirt, 85. The hat, 50. The chain, 200. Bracelet, 100. And yeah, that's it.
What's up, bro? How much is your outfit?
Yo, okay, so blazers beat to hell, about like 30 bucks, I'd say. Jacket, 400. Shirt, 100 bucks. Belt, 30 bucks. Pants, 30 bucks, I'd say. Bracelet, 2,500. Ring, 10 bucks. Toque, 10 bucks. Her, on a private jet. And then in the limo, yeah.
What's up, bro? How much was your outfit?
All right, like shoes, probably $330 because they were out of stock everywhere. Pants, probably $45. This, probably $65. Beanie, pretty cheap. I don't know, just a clean fit. Clean shoes, clean everything, you know? Keep it real.
What's up, bro? How much was your outfit?
I'll give like the shoes probably 800. I'll give the Off-White socks probably 200 bucks. Same cargos as my boy Blake right there. Got them box logo, probably like $2,000. Got that Off-White winter collection under here, probably 400 bones, 500 bones around there. That's it.
What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
My jacket is about 2,500. Shoes are 300 something retail.
Where's the jacket from?
Sandro Pay.
Okay. Yeah. All right, thank you. What's up, man? How much is your outfit?
So I'd say my outfit for the glasses, I'd say about 3,800. Shoes were going for about 2,000. Jeans or diesel jeans about 500, and it's about 600 for the Bape. So if
If you do the math, that's about 4, 6. That's about $7,000, I'd say.